Sente ziri kwingana biliyoni 12 nizo zigariro mu treasury mu myaka gobya sente 2023 2024 ha budget yakuzirwe eri kwingana biliyoni 81.
Mbarara City's total approved and revised budget by the end of financial year 2023-2024. That's where we are going to start. Total to 81 billions. 195,675,254 shillings.
Deputy Mayor Priska Mrongo yashaba government kutaho buryo mu kugariza abashomesa ba grade 3 no kubataho muhimbo ahabo kuba binjo mu bushomesa baburigiremo.
Yonko muntu ngabe ni pabura ngo echo kwiyo grade 3 kandi batatiroho oba diploma kugira ngo batandike nacyo bagiro ko bakitekatekamo nora grade 3 kiyarugireho hati kandi tagaruka yo bandi bashomesa bo kuri pressing abo kugenda yaba challenge kabinisha aba ministry of speed bandi benda diploma colleges standike.
Town clerk wa Mbarara City ase abirebe yashobora ko government iriyo netaho buryo okutura mu bw'abazire abarukushomesa zo mu mashomero ga government kongera abashomesa mu mashomeraga.
And there is a special arrangement for staffing for all these facilities that are upgraded under the gift program. So we believe that if we get also that one, then we should be able to have enough staff, at least for the health sector.
Road Mayor Robert Kachebezi yatangaza hanshungo kubatiremo amani ombyo bwejeso mu budgeteji barukongera mu classrooms
kureba ngo twagera imihanda ekozerwe obucweka ebitari mwena bimwe abo connectinga neighboring districts hamwe na emyanya yito yo mu Mbarara City nk'abantu kandi twagaruka twashoroza emishoro twagaruka twa improvinga education sector twa improvinga education sector tukutamu mashomera gandi classrooms hamwe na
abantu abando mu rukiko bahaye bitekateko byabo kurgira ibintu bitari bimwe na bimwe birukwata Mbarara City Council.
Ngenda basomeza kamunano mwishobora government arabasomeza bana bandi kandi nishaba ngo ngasibe ndingatekera abashomera ngo bwarahari nawe ndugira abana benshi ngira abana kuringatunga staff yo kumara tubase kuretera abashomera bwaragayo bayisimsa homestay yabo.
Muri stage tunareba abantu ba UNRWA abebuto ezyo mu stage which within the city konka zikuvunanizwaho aba UNRWA and which are in a bad shape.
Baza mu irwaro basemba line n'abasagazi babasema taro emetro special provision y'abakozi banje.
And these days they are doing great things. So if one is there and is doing something, please let them come to us.
Olivia Kamsime, our Sky Television, again Shonga, Mbarara.